Keeping this in mind, we're going to check out some of the best smart power strips you can buy in the market right now. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Kasa Smart Outdoor Smart Plug KP400. We've already discussed the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug meant for indoors, but what about outdoor use? Well, the TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip is also available in an outdoor version that can make for an excellent garden or backyard smart power strip. The manufacturer also mentions that the outdoor Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip plug comes with IP64 certified water resistance, effectively making it weatherproof. It also comes with a cover to seal the outlets when not in use. This smart plug can receive a wireless range of up to 300 feet. Number 2. Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip HS300. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug is one of the most recognizable smart power strips out there. This particular offering comes with 6 outlets that can be individually controlled or scheduled as per your preferences. In addition to simply controlling the outlets, the application by TP-Link also offers energy monitoring for each port, helping you turn off devices that are drawing too much power. This accessory also offers ETL-certified surge protection, so customers can be assured that their electronics are safe at all times. Number 3. APC Smart Plug Wi-Fi Power Strip. This smart plug by APC comes with a total of 6 power outlets, with 3 offering smart features while the rest are always on outlets. There are a total of 4 USB ports along with the ability to simultaneously charge all your devices, though this may see charging speeds coming down. Further, this APC smart plug comes with 2160 joules of surge protection, which should keep your electronics safe in the event of a surge. This device comes with voice control with Alexa, though it's lacking Google Assistant compatibility. Number 4. HaiFen Smart Power Strip. This smart power strip covers all the bases with regards to features. It has a total of 4 smart power outlets accompanied by 4 USB ports for charging your wireless devices. As with a few other products on this list, this unit also works with the free Smart Life app currently available for free on Android and iOS. It's worth pointing out that this power strip only works over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connections. Using the app we mentioned above, this power strip can control each port individually. Number 5. Meross Smart Power Strip. This is yet another handy smart plug that can alleviate most of your concerns with regard to home automation. It comes with a total of 3 outlets while there are 4 USB ports lined up next to each other. It comes with support for Apple HomeKit. It's worth noting that the Meross smart plug also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. In terms of protection, the company is using fire-proof housing, while the surge protector has been certified by the FCC and ETL.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.